Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from your phone. Learning Python on the go is incredibly convenient, transforming your smartphone into a powerful learning tool. We will explore various applications and platforms that allow you to write, run, and practice Python code directly from your device. This guide will help you set up your mobile environment for an efficient and engaging coding journey, making the most of your available time. To begin, download dedicated learning apps like Solo Learn or Mimo, which offer bite-sized lessons and interactive exercises. For hands-on coding, consider mobile IDEs such as Pidroid 3 for Android users or Pydo for iOS users. These powerful applications provide a full Python interpreter, allowing you to write and execute scripts directly on your phone. Many also include features like syntax highlighting and code completion, making coding much easier. Beyond apps, numerous online resources can enhance your mobile learning. Websites like Codecademy offer interactive courses accessible via your phone's browser, providing structured lessons and coding challenges. The official Python documentation is also a valuable reference. Don't forget the power of community. Platforms like Reddit's r/LearnPython or various coding forums offer support, allowing you to ask questions and share your progress with fellow learners. To truly succeed, establish a consistent routine, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes each day. Focus on understanding core concepts before moving on. Try building small, simple projects directly on your phone to apply what you've learned, like a basic calculator or a text-based game. While mobile learning is excellent for fundamentals, consider transitioning to a desktop computer for more complex projects once you have a solid grasp of the basics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.